Now, one of the ways of knowing where the box is to know what the factors are that cause a baby to increase their heat production. So babies are putting out heat, and we're trying to balance that with the heat we deliver to them. And in general, because they lose more heat than they put out, you have to heat babies. But there are factors that the baby that contribute to the baby's own heat production, and these are variable. And by the way, these can be variable minute to minute, day to day, depending on the state of the baby. It's really impossible to know exactly what all these factors are doing at a single point in time. But the point is that you have to consider this as part of the equation in terms of managing their heat production, their heat status. So obviously, the basal metabolic rate can be variable between from baby to baby, depending on gestational age, their own nature, their age in weeks, and what's going on with the baby. Time of day, all this alters the basic metabolic rate, as it does for all of us. So there are times when we would be cold, times of day that we need more thermoregulation than others, and so is true for the baby. The amount of muscle activity varies. So when they're sleeping and at rest, there's different heat production than when they're active and moving around, certainly crying. There are hormonal changes that occur during the day. Thyroxine is mentioned here, but other hormones will affect your basic metabolic rate and therefore affect your heat production, and, as well as the nervous system. So there's lots of factors that can contribute to the baby's heat production, and if you're not considering that, the temperature at 1 minute may not be the right temperature at the next minute.